Hey guys, good morning. What if I told you, in just *7 days, you can start seeing real changes in your skin? Less breakouts, less oiliness, calmer, clearer, healthier skin. No expensive treatments, no complicated routines, just simple, science-based daily habits. Welcome to the Acne-Free Skin 7 Days Challenge. If you struggle with pimples, acne, oily skin, or sudden breakouts, this challenge is for you. Let's start Day 1. Day 1, Reset and Clean. Start today is about cleansing and resetting your skin. Morning routine Step 1. Gentle cleanser. Use a mild, non-stripping cleanser. Why? Because harsh cleansers trigger more oil production, which means more acne. Massage gently for 30-40 seconds. Rinse with lukewarm water. Step 2. Light moisturizer. Yes, even oily skin needs moisture. Skipping moisturizer equals more oil, equals more pimples. Step 3. Sunscreen. Very important. Sun damage worsens acne marks and inflammation. Use oil-free sunscreen. Night routine. Step 1. Cleanser again. Remove dirt, oil, sweat, pollution. Step 2. Moisturizer. Keep the skin barrier healthy. Day 1 or no touching your face, no picking pimples, drink more water, avoid junk and sugary food. Day 2. Oil control and barrier rejuvenation. Today we introduce active ingredients. Morning cleanser moisturizer, sunscreen night Step 1. Cleanser Step 2. Acne treatment key step. Use one of these. Salicylic acid unclogs pores. Benzoyl peroxide kills acne bacteria. Niacinamide reduces oil and redness. Apply only a thin layer. More product insert, faster results. Step 3. Moisturizer Day 2. Are we well trash? Change pillowcase. Avoid oily foods. Stop face touching habit Day 3. Calm inflammation. Most acne is inflammation driven. We calm the skin. Morning cleanser moisturizer sunscreen optional. Niacinamide serum. Great for oil control plus redness. Night cleanser acne treatment moisturizer. Optional soothing step. Aloe vera gel. Centella asiatica. Panthenol Day 3. Relish. No harsh scrubs. No DIY lemon toothpaste mistakes. Sleep properly. Poor sleep equals hormonal breakouts. Day 4. Deep pore care. Gentle. Today equals controlled exfoliation. Night only. Important. Step 1. Cleanser. Step 2. Chemical exfoliation. If skin tolerates. Salicylic acid. Mild AHA BHA. Avoid physical scrubs. Why? Scrubs create micro tears. Nor acne. Step 3. Moisturizer Day 4. Or less, no over exfoliation. Keep skin hydrated. Avoid spicy junk food. Day 5. Barrier repair. Healthy barrier. Less acne. Morning cleanser hydrating moisturizer. Sunscreen look for ceramides, hyaluronic acid, glycerin night cleanser light treatment. Optional moisturizer. Today we go gentle. Day 5 or less. Hydrate skin. Hydrate body. Reduce stress. Stress equals cortisol equals acne. Day 6. Spot control and healing. By now, active pimples may already look calmer. Morning cleanser moisturizer sunscreen. Night cleanser Step 2. Spot treatment apply only on pimples. Benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid. Sulfur treatment. Step 3. Moisturizer Day 6. Rules. No picking healing pimples. Continue diet control. Stay consistency beats everything. Day 7. AM tenants and glow. Congratulations, Wingers, you completed the challenge. Now we maintain results. Morning cleanser optional serum, niacinamide vitamin C. Moisturizer sunscreen, night cleanser treatment, if needed. Moisturizer understanding why this vitamins works before continuing. Let's understand something very important. Acne is not just a skin problem. It is influenced by oil production, bacteria, hormones, skin barrier health, hormones flash, skin barrier health, lifestyle habits. That's why random products never work long term. This challenge works because it targets multiple acne triggers. The boy just asin mystics. People makes let's talk about what secretly worsens acne. Because sometimes your routine isn't failing, your habits are. Mistake 1. Over-cleansing. Many people think oily skin equals wash face 5-6 times. Wrong. Over-cleansing, skin becomes dry. Skin produces more oil, more breakouts. Correct approach, 2 times per day. Gentle cleanser only. Mistake 2. Skipping moisturizer. Huge myth. Moisturizer causes pimples. Truth, dehydrated skin produces excess oil, which means more clogged pores, more acne. Mistake 3D. Using too many products, layering 6 serums plus 3 treatments equals skin disaster. More actives, it's a dispet. Better skin. It often means irritation, redness, brusha, barrier damage. More acne. Minimal routine. Winter. Mistake 4. Aggressive scrubbing. Physical scrubs do not remove acne. They damage skin. Micro tears, inflammation, more pimples. Mistake 5. Constant face touching. Hands carry bacteria plus dirt plus oil. Touching face equals transferring acne triggers. Why gentle care reduces acne. This challenge avoids harsh steps because acne-prone skin is already inflamed, sensitive, barrier compromised. When you treat it aggressively, the skin reacts negatively. Gentle routines calm the skin. Calm skin equals less acne. How active ingredients actively help? Let's decode the science simply. Salicylic acid, BHA, works inside pores. Dissolves oil. Unclogs pores. Reduces blackheads and whiteheads. Perfect for oily plus acne-prone skin. Benzoyl peroxide kills acne-causing bacteria. Reduces inflammatory pimples. Prevents infection spread. Important, use thin layer only. Too much, irritation. Niacinamide acne hero ingredient. Controls oil. Reduces redness. Strengthens skin barrier. Improves acne marks. Very beginner-friendly diet rules. Fun clears cancri less. For clear skin, cancri alone is never enough. What you eat shows on your skin. Reduce these acne triggers. Excess sugar, food, deep-fried foods, highly processed snacks, excess dairy. For some people, why? They increase insulin spikes, inflammation, oil production increase. These skin-friendly foods, fruits, vegetables, water, nuts, moderate, fruit, vegetables, folk, water, rut, protein-rich foods. These help. Skin repair, hormonal balance, reduced inflammation, water and acent. What really happens? Water does not magically cure acne, but dehydration worsens skin condition. Proper hydration helps skin healing, oil balance, toxin processing. Simple rule: drink consistently throughout the day. Sleep and breakouts. Highly underrated. Poor sleep, stress hormones, more oil, more acne. Sleep deprivation increases cortisol, inflammation. Skin sensitivity. Clear skin requires 7-9 hours quality sleep. Stress and disasters and any. Connem, stress triggers hormonal changes, which leads to more oil production, slower healing, increased breakouts. That's why acne often worsens during SMORI, exams, SMORI, deadlines. Emotional stress management equals acne management. To expect during the 7-day cleanse. Very important section for viewers. What's realistic? Skin may feel calmer. Oil may reduce slightly. Redness may decrease. Active pimples may shrink, may crease. Active pimples, complete acne removal. Instant glass skin, overnight. Perfection. Acne healing is gradual. Why consistencies bets everything. Most people fail because they switch products too fast. They stop routine early. They panic during minor breakouts. Skin needs time to respond. Consistency builds results. Random changes destroy progress. Warning: sickness, you should slow down. If skin shows, slow down. If skin shows extreme redness, slow. Extreme redness, peeling, increased irritation, Then, reduce actives. Focus on moisturizer plus gentle care. Long-term maintenance after day 7. The challenge is reset, not an ending. After day 7, continue gentle cleansing. Use treatment strategically. Moisturize daily. Sunscreen always. Thank you for watching.